What's going on YouTube? Today I got a cool product I want to show you guys from Weller. It's the cordless soldering gun. Let's get in here and take a good close look at this thing.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright guys, I ordered this thing through Napa. It was on sale through the Real Deals catalog for $69.99. It's a rechargeable soldering gun. So let's get this thing open and let's take a good close look at it, see what it's made out of, and check this thing out. Alright guys, here it is. The part number is BL60MP, made by Weller. It's a 12 watt performance, so that means it's gotta work awesome. Up to 1,070 degrees or 580 degrees Celsius for you guys that go with the C scale instead of the F scale. Anyway, this thing has got an LED that illuminates what you're soldering. Like I say, it's rechargeable. It's supposed to heat up in 35 seconds and have a runtime of 45 minutes. It's got a lithium-ion battery inside it and pretty nice charging stand. So, and it also has the little safety rest with it. So anyway, let's open this thing up and take a look at it, and then we'll charge it and really take a look at it. All right, as you've seen, we did a wrestling match with it, but we finally won. So here's the gun itself. It's very small, feels good in the hand. It's got a rubberized texture here. Of course, all this is just plain old plastic. There's the LED, and it has, you can screw the tips off. So if you want to change tips, they make it pretty easy for you. So there's the gun itself. Now let's take a look at the charging base. It's got tip storage, drop-in charger. I do like the drop-in charger part. That's one of the reasons why I decided to go with this, because quite frankly, it's pretty nice. Apparently there's where it goes, the contacts. You can see the two contacts in there. So that's how it's going to charge. Standard cord. So we'll get this thing on charge, let her charge up, and then we'll see what it'll do. You guys stick around. All right, and the cluster of all my power cords and other charging accessories, we got her fired up here. So let's take a look at what happens with it. I don't see a charging light, so I assume, oh, it's there. So if you can't see your plug, you're gonna be in trouble. So keep that in mind if you guys decide to purchase this setup. So we're gonna wait till the little light turns green, and then we'll try this bad boy out, and we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll work. Stick around. All right, guys, as you can see, the light is green, so this bad boy is ready to rock. So let's go see what she'll do. Let's put her to the test, see if it's worth it. All right, guys, it took about probably 2.5 hours to charge, and one of the things I wanted to show you, as you can see, the soldering iron holder is on the bottom. There's two slits here on the side of the base. That will go in there and lock down somehow. I guess like that. So that will give you a rest for your hot soldering gun. So I thought that was kind of nifty. So let's just see what this thing will do. All right, it's supposedly supposed to be ready in 35 seconds from the time we hit the switch. And the battery's supposed to last the whole 45 minutes. Like I say, it's 12 watt performance. It goes up to 1,070 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty impressive. So let me get this thing set up and we'll just see what she'll do. All right, so the first thing we'll do, well, let me back up a little bit. What I've got here is some Napa brand 14 gauge wire. I've got about a, I don't know, 18-inch piece. I've already got pre-stripped, and I got some small solder. So this is what we're gonna do to try to test it. So let's cut this thing on. When that turns green, she's supposed to be up to temperature, ready to rock and roll. And we'll just see how well it solders. So it's been about 10 seconds. So it should be about a third of the way there. While that one's getting ready, I'll go ahead and get the wire ready to do a test solder. Like I said, I've already got pre-stripped, so we'll get that out of the way. She's ready. Just turned green, and by smelling it, she's definitely hot. So let's just see how well it's going to work. Now, I'm by no means a professional solderer, but what I am going to do is twist it like this where we can see if it's getting hot enough to make it go all the way through. And that's the whole purpose of the video. So we'll just see what happens here. Hot enough to burn that wire. If I can put it like this, might be easier. She's definitely hot. You can see it's working. Move it over. Hit it over here. And we'll see. It did get hot enough to go all the way through. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Like I say, I like the rechargeable capabilities of this. I think it's gonna be extremely handy. So, done a pretty decent job. So this thing, when I turn it off, I'll lay it right there on the little factory rest. I'll get the camera to focus here. As you guys can see, she done an excellent job of getting the wire hot enough for the solder to go all the way around. So I'm pretty impressed with the performance of the soldering gun. Like I say, it only took about 2 hours and she was completely ready to charge. So I don't know how well it'll last. I don't know how long it'll last, but I will keep you guys updated. But that is part number BL60MP by Weller. Like I say, it's a very small soldering gun, small soldering iron, I should say. And you guys seen it heated up like it was supposed to in that 35 seconds. So definitely happy with that. Anyway, guys, that's the first look that I have to show you guys of that soldering gun and what it'll do. Like I say, it's extremely small, lightweight, and it works as advertised. Definitely like that drop-in charger. That's super cool. Anyway, guys, that's what I got today on the cordless, rechargeable Weller BL60MP soldering gun. Like always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.